Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Garage, and today I am going to be putting some upgrades on my new Tmaxx. I haven't even taken it out yet, but today we're going to put these upgrades on and finally take it out for the first time. I'm very excited, but let me show you the upgrades we got. So first I have the RPM front bumper right here, and then I have also the RPM rear bumper. And the reason I got these is because the ones that come on the Tmaxx are just plastic, and like if you hit anything they break easily, so that's why I got those. And then also I got the hump pack right here, just the Turnigy hump pack. It was on sale on Amazon for like 10 bucks, but then I got that too. And then that's basically it. I'm still waiting on the switch. I need like a different switch than the one that came on it, because the one that came on it is tied in with the 4 AA's, so I need to get a separate switch for this. But yeah, we're just gonna waiting for that. It should come, like, meanwhile I'm putting the front bumpers on and stuff. And then once we have all those things in, we're just gonna take it out, have fun with it for the first time. And yeah, so let's get to it. And before we get started, guys, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, so you guys can see all my other content on all my other RC cars. And I'll really appreciate it if you just hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. But yeah, let's get to the video. Alright, so first we're going to start off with taking off just this front bumper here. It's pretty easy, and then I think they give you hardware too. But yeah, just get this off real quick. Alright, that is off now, and we're going to open up the new one. Here's my knife. It's a new one, and then see, they also give you new hardware, and I guess I'll put the new hardware on. Might as well. What's this? Nothing. Okay. I don't even, which way does it go? Does it go this way? Yeah, there he goes. Like that. Because I don't think it goes this way. Let me look, hold on. I don't know, I'm stupid. Okay, so yeah, it does go like this. Okay. The new new hardware. Alright, so I got the right Allen key now, and then we're just gonna put this on. Good, yourself? You wanna come down here? Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. You too. That was not Amazon. That was FedEx. Sadly. Yes, sir. Alright, I know this is not car related or RC car related, but this is what FedEx just brought. Yes, sir. Even though it's not my switch from Amazon, it's still good. Alright. Let's get back to installing this thing. Alright, the front bumper is on. Looking pretty sweet. Now we're gonna turn this around. And move on to the rear. I don't know if the rear one comes with hardware. I don't think so, because I think it just needed it for the front because it was thicker, so I needed longer screws. So I don't think the rear comes with hardware. So we're gonna have to reuse this one. These screws. take it out of the wheelie bar. Knife. Boom. Goes back into the wheelie bar. Oh, wrong way. Backwards. Oh gosh, what did I do? Took it off. I didn't even know it came off that easy. That's so easy to take off. Okay, but boom, there it is. New rear bumper. Let me flip this around and then we're gonna put on the body and see how it looks with the body on. There it is. Whew, looks good. Look at that. Looks good. Alright, the switch still hasn't gotten here, but I'll come back to you when it does. Alright, so the switch just got here, and we're just gonna hurry up and put this in so that we could get down to my local spot and have some fun with this thing. Alright guys, everything's good to go. I got all the wires tidied up, the receiver cover is on. Now it's just time to go have fun. So I'll see you out there. Alright guys, so I'm out here at my local spot where I always am. But yeah, we're just gonna get this thing going and have some fun. So let's fire it up. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. The truck ran great. There's no problems whatsoever. It was, engine temps were good. No, didn't cut out at all, not once while I was running it. But yeah, it ran great. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.